Hi everyone, I'll show you this Kindle Paperwhite generation 12th generation, 16 gigabytes that I have in my hand right now. I'm going to show you how it looks like from the outside. Alright. Very nice indeed. From behind, lose yourself in a book. Fascinating. So it has this apparently glare-free display. Oh, amazing. So I'm gonna unseal it right now. Show it to you. It's got this brand new. Oh, interesting. Whoa, so beautiful. Look at this. So get the device itself, which you're going to place here. Then comes with a manual. I'll show you the manual. Important product information. Okay, fascinating. Alright. Cable. Comes with this cable. USB-C cable. Right, very nice. Then for the product itself, I'm gonna open the packaging. So it has this seal here. Oh, wow. Such an experience. Look at this. Right? Okay. Glare-free display. You see the details. Look at this. The size itself. Look at the size. This is my hand, so it just fits right in the palm of my hand. You see? Amazing. Alright. Is it a sticker or is it on it already? Whoa, amazing. So it says like to power on, and you press this button. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's on already. Oh, it's not a sticker, amazing. I thought it's a sticker. So there you go. This is how it looks like, the Kindle. And it really does look like paper. At first I really thought that it's a sticker of some sort. So I'm not gonna go into the setup process, but just gonna show this out, an overview of what it looks like. So yeah, you can take a close up and check out like the details of this device. It's just so amazing and it feels really comfortable to the eyes. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this really helpful. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Jesus loves you and He heals.